Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Tailgates and Toolboxes here, and we have another food review. Actually, this time it's a beverage, and what do we have today? Ta-da! We have the new Canada Dry Strawberry Fruit Splash. This is the new flavor that just came out. It was available only in a 12-pack at my local Stop and Shop. It was 10 bucks. So we're gonna try it and see if it's any good. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Sniff test. Definitely smells like strawberries. Let's give it a pour. I mean, it looks like ginger ale. You can smell it. Smell the strawberry. Looks like ginger ale. They do have a couple of other splash flavors out, but this is the newest one. So let's give another sniff test. Definitely smells like strawberries. Give it a sip. Definitely taste the ginger ale. It's got the strawberry in it, but you can taste it, but it's almost like an afterthought. It's like you taste the ginger ale and like you go to like say swallow, and what's left on your palate is like a little strawberry flavor. It's not bad, it's okay. I mean, you do taste it on your tongue. So, I mean, it's okay. I mean, if you like strawberry, this might be something for you. But this is their newest flavor. So this just came out. Sorry about the glare. So, like I said, it was a 12-pack. It was 10 bucks. At my local Stop and Shop. I didn't see it. I did not see it in any cans or bottles. Just I'm sorry, bottles. It's obviously in a can. It was only available in the 12-pack. So I don't know. I don't know if I would buy this again. I like ginger ale, but it's not my go-to beverage. I'd rather have Coke. But anyway, it's something you might want to give a try. Alright guys, alright, thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hype up the video, trying to hype up my channel. Alright guys, alright, thank you. Alright, bye.